Hello and welcome to RAM HQ. My name is Patrick Maisis, and in today's walkthrough, I'm going to take you through a breakdown of the Tab A9 Plus push-to-talk bundle. So come along to see what's included and learn how this solution could benefit your company's fleet. This kit utilizes our IntelliScan case, Uni-Conn dock, microphone bracket, and double ball mount with an included hardware charger for an all-in-one mounting solution. Now it's time to connect our dock. We're going to use a USB-C dongle to connect to our hardwire power source to provide consistent charge to our devices. Next, we'll grab our USB-A dongle to connect to the charging dock that comes with the Aina RSM. With Uni-Conn, docking and undocking your device has been made easy with clear alignment guides that allow for one-handed operation. Simply line up the pogo pins in the bottom of your IntelliScan and press until you hear a click. Once everything is plugged in and the hardware charger is installed, it's time to pair our Aina mic. Simply go to your Bluetooth tab, select the device, and you're all set. Once your microphone is successfully paired, you can navigate to your Bluetooth app and begin using. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, can you hear me? This kit includes our double ball socket arm, which is an easy-to-use mounting system that doesn't require any tools. Simply unscrew with your hand, then you can move your device to your preference. If you're watching along and wondering how this bundle can be beneficial for your company, let me provide you with some use cases. If you're a logistics company, drivers and dispatchers rely on effective communication. Using a Bluetooth RSM allows the operator with the flexibility to not be tethered to their device or the mounting system. For construction companies, workers need clear and consistent communication. If you're a job site manager and you need to roam freely between charging stations, you can do so with the Bluetooth RSM. It even has a built-in clip in the back, so you can keep it on your person, hands-free. For field services, a technician that's performing maintenance or repairs can wear the RSM on their person. This would allow them to use push-to-talk communications without having to put down their equipment or go back to their vehicle. In addition, if the technician were driving, they could wear a Bluetooth headset, which would allow push-to-talk communications to occur, but still promote safety and compliance with hands-free driving laws. For public transportation, in addition to enhanced daily operations, the Bluetooth push-to-talk button allows for instant notification in the case of an emergency, whether it is medical or threat to public safety. Now, when it comes to student transportation, nothing is more important than your child's safety. Using a Bluetooth system allows for hands-free communication, which allows drivers to keep both hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Aina's voice responder also has an emergency broadcast feature, which allows drivers to alert an entire fleet and the command center simultaneously. This feature can also be used to alert team members of road hazards and other accidents, which heightens the awareness of your entire fleet. I hope you've enjoyed today's walk through the Tab A9 Plus push-to-talk bundle. If you'd like to learn more about other devices or bundles that we offer, please see our other videos or check us out on our website. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time at RAM HQ.